So just a quick video on seated good mornings. Yeah, I've had some viewers say they don't like putting weights on their back because it hurts their neck. Well, one thing you can do is just do pulses, and I would do a lot of them, because what you want to do is get the flexibility of being able to move your torso through your legs here. It's kind of like doing pancakes, except you're seated. So you want to get your torso through and get your legs as far apart as you can and get your torso through nice and deep, and then just start pulsing. And every 20 or so, try to get your legs a little wider apart, get your torso deeper through your legs, and stretch out that lower back and your hips and everything. There's another 20. Try and get deeper. And you know, if your neck is sore and you can't put weights on it, I mean, even if you can't put a little bit of weight, you know, 10 or 20 pounds, then that probably means your whole shoulder girdle is weak and your upper back is weak, and you probably want to start doing some form of push-ups or pushing exercises and pulling exercises. And if you don't like doing push-ups, check out my video. If you hate push-ups, do this, and you'll like that video, because there's so many variations of how to do pushing exercises instead of just full push-ups. And even for me, when I'm not warmed up at all, I don't enjoy push-ups, so I have so many variations on pushing exercises, so you'll like that video. And build up your whole upper back, your shoulders, do some hanging exercises. I have a great hanging video you can watch. And over months, you can build up your upper back, shoulders, and all the rest of it, your chest muscles. And once your neck is, you know, back in shape and straightened a little bit, then you should have no trouble, you know, putting 20 or 30 pounds on your shoulders. And that extra weight is, well, first of all, you know, it's going to help your back when you're coming back up, right? This will help you stretch by going down, but then when you lift back up, you're strengthening your lower back and everything like that. So, you know, over time, even if it takes a year to get to the point where you can put 20 or 30 pounds on a bar, and you know, and even down here, just stretching is a good thing. And then when you come back up, you're exercising that lower back, so when you lean over to pick something up, your back doesn't go out and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, there's a few tips on seated good mornings and building up your upper body.